Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds on your TV. The most reliable way to enjoy this classic game on a larger screen is through screen mirroring or casting from your mobile device. This method allows you to project your phone or tablet's display directly onto your television, giving you a much bigger view of the action. It's a simple process that brings your favorite birds to life in a whole new way. Before you start flinging birds, make sure both your mobile device and your television are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is a crucial step for successful screen mirroring. Once connected, simply launch the Angry Birds app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll be ready to cast the game to your big screen in just a few moments, preparing for some epic bird flinging fun. Now, with the game open, locate the cast icon on your mobile device's screen. It usually looks like a small TV with a Wi-Fi signal. Tap this icon, and a list of available casting devices should appear. Select your smart TV or casting dongle from the options. Your game should then appear on your television, ready for you to play with a much grander view. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that both your phone and TV have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes, a quick restart of both devices can resolve minor casting problems. Enjoy the game on your big screen. For more great deals and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy bird flinging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.